It's a beautiful fall morning, and I'm at Tsugawa Nursery up in Woodland, Washington. And Carlene, you have these beautiful, kind of traditional fall plants here.
Yes, we do. You know, the frost isn't quite on the pumpkin yet, but we're thinking about transitioning our summer and fall baskets into more of a winter look with plants that can take a little bit of rain and can take a little bit of frost as well. So in thinking about that and that transition, we do have the more traditional mums that you're going to see, and the pansies and the ornamental peppers, and those are great. Those still work well for us, but we can also think a little bit outside of the box too when we think about our baskets for more winter interest or something different. Maybe you don't want mums this year. So here we've prepared some baskets that we might hang or sell here in the store. We have some pansies, we've got heather, which you might not think about, but it's great because it's small, it's flowering this time of the year, excellent sort of evergreen foliage. When the basket fades, you can take it out and put it in your garden. So it's a great, great way to go. And then of course the beautiful pansies and all the different colors. If you want color for the winter garden, pansies is a place to start outside of mums.
Definitely.
Yes. And then we also have some really small ornamentals. That looks great in a hanging basket. It's small still. It won't outgrow this size this season. So it's great to place there. And also, you know what? Why not throw a gourd in,
yes,
right? And have fun with it. If you've grown gourds, you want to show them off, put them in your basket as well.
Oh, fun. And then what on this third one? What's that big leafy plant?
It's a heuchera.
Nice.
Yeah, so it does well in the shade. It's going to take some rain. It's, you know, hardy in our zone, so it's going to look beautiful in your basket almost all winter long.
And so if we come and we need some ideas, you guys can help.
Yes, we would love to help you design your baskets. You know, give us your color palette, what you want to see at your house, and we can make so many suggestions, probably too many suggestions for you. But yes, we can help.
Right. So this is the place to come for fall baskets, fall containers, Tsugawa Gardens, Tsugawa Nursery up in Woodland, Washington. It's not that far. Please go to the Garden Time website. We'll click you over. You can find the directions and come and see Carlene and the staff and have some beautiful fall interest at your home.
Thank you, Judy.
Thank you.